If you're seeing a daily journal or daily note created automatically in Evernote and you want to get rid of it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the daily journal feature in Evernote and, if you want, how to delete the past journal entries too. This is a quick and simple fix, and it can help keep your notes organized and your workspace much cleaner. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Evernote tips and software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's go step by step. First, open Evernote on your desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner and click on your profile name. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Evernote keeps most of the app and account preferences. After that, go into Preferences. In some versions of Evernote, the option you need may appear slightly differently, but you're looking for the area related to templates or daily note. So scroll down until you find the section that mentions automatically creating a note each day. Here's the key part. Look for the checkbox or toggle that says something like automatically create a note each day. To stop Evernote from making a new daily journal entry every day, simply uncheck that box or turn the switch off. Once you do that, Evernote should save the change automatically and the daily journal feature will be disabled. If your main goal was just to stop new journal notes from being created, that's all you need to do. But if you also want to clean up the old ones that were already created, keep going with the next part. Now go to your notes list or open the specific notebook where your daily journal entries are stored. Find the notes you want to remove. If you only want to delete one, click it once. If you want to delete several, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while selecting multiple notes. You can also select them directly from the list if that's easier. Once the notes are selected, look for the blue selection bar and click Move to Trash, or use the trash can icon if that's what appears in your version of Evernote. This sends the notes to the trash instead of deleting them permanently right away. If you want them gone for good, open the trash folder in the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Inside trash, you'll usually see an option like empty trash, or you may need to click the three dots menu first. Confirm the deletion, and Evernote will permanently remove those journal entries. And that's it. You've now turned off the daily journal in Evernote and cleaned up the old daily notes if you wanted to. It only takes a minute once you know where the setting is, and it can make a big difference if you prefer a more minimal note-taking setup. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote or productivity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.